So this is just a part two to SEO. What more can we think about in relation to business? So here's an example about maybe a potential blog post. Maybe we have a website that sells socks with our current example here, and we want to drive traffic that we don't have to pay for. We don't want to pay ads all the time for traffic. So a lot of times what people do is they're leveraging SEO or some kind of blog, just talking about products. But in those informational blogs, we have those keywords. So I said, write a 2-paragraph essay about socks, including the best SEO terms. So I don't even know what the best SEO terms for this product are. Maybe there are websites so you can cross-reference and double check to make sure that we're working in the right direction here. So maybe you already have your list and you could just paste it in. But if you don't, just say, hey, best SEO terms, we got something real quick. Socks are an essential piece of clothing that everyone wears on a daily basis. They come in a variety of styles, materials, from classic cotton to moisture-wicking synthetic fabrics. So moisture-wicking is probably a keyword. These are definitely has some in here. Athletic socks, moisture wicking for exercise, well, thicker socks. So those are very specific wording that are pretty great. So again, you can either give it a list you already have or do this, and it's going to do a good job.